The 2026 market for heavy-duty blades presents a fantastic array of options, catering to professional survivalists, avid bushcrafters, and general outdoor enthusiasts. This year's top selections emphasize durability, superior edge retention from materials like high-carbon steel and 440 stainless, and specialized designs from the curved power of the kukri to the precision of the Japanese nada style, ensuring that users can find the perfect tool for clearing brush, chopping wood, or tackling rigorous outdoor tasks. The F-Wosi Kukri blade delivers the legendary chopping power associated with the traditional Gorka, or military kukuri design. This 13-inch fixed blade is crafted from high-quality carbon steel, a material favored for its exceptional toughness and ability to hold a razor-sharp edge, making it an outstanding choice for heavy-duty wood processing and clearing dense jungle. The substantial weight of the blade combined with the traditional wooden handle creates a forward heavy balance optimized for aggressive, efficient chopping, cemented by the inclusion of a durable leather sheath featuring a secure belt loop for dependable field carry. The Gerber Gator Machete is the quintessential utility tool designed for speed and versatility, popular among campers and survivalists for its dual functionality. This model features a long, straight edge perfect for quick vine and brush clearing, complemented by a sawback spine, which provides the user with two necessary tools in one lightweight package. Known for its comfortable tactile grip thanks to the signature Gerber Gator rubberized handle, this machete ensures a firm hold in wet conditions, making it an excellent low-maintenance option for rapid trail clearing and general yard work, complete with a functional nylon sheath. For those seeking authenticity and unparalleled craftsmanship, the Agkij Survival Machete Kukri stands out as a true artisanal blade. Hand-forged in Nepal, this 16-inch machete cleaver embodies the traditional method, where the blade is meticulously balanced and water-tempered to achieve optimal strength and flexibility. Arriving sharp and ready, this heavy-duty tool is built to perform immediately, offering an extremely robust and reliable feel that appeals to collectors and serious survivalists who demand a blade with deep historical roots and proven battle-ready durability. The Tops Knives Machete is a premium, purpose-built blade that enters the tactical and high-end bushcraft domain, recognized for its exceptional engineering and striking aesthetic. Finished in an aggressive midnight bronze PVD coating, the blade is not only protected from corrosion and wear, but also provides a non-reflective surface for discrete field use. Designed for maximum utility and heavy-duty chopping, the Machete features a robust ergonomic handle and a thick steel profile, ensuring that this tool handles the toughest abuse with grace and remains a reliable companion for prolonged expeditions where failure is not an option. Offering a unique deviation from traditional Western and kukri designs, the NLX Machete adopts the Japanese NA/TA tool style, providing a blade optimized for controlled, heavy slicing and splitting. Its considerable 19.25-inch length and full tang construction, crafted from durable 440 stainless steel, ensure both strength and excellent resistance to rust and oxidation. Marketed as a multifunction outdoor camping tool, the nada style excels at precision tasks like feather stick making and light wood splitting, making it highly valued by outdoorsmen who require a versatile tool that bridges the gap between a hatchet and a traditional machete. Choosing the best machete in 2026 means matching the blade's heritage and engineering to your intended use. Prioritize the hand-forged kukri for raw chopping power and tradition. Opt for the Gerber Gator for multi-purpose utility and ease of carry, or select the Machete for premium tactical durability. Each of these top models offers a distinct advantage, ensuring you have the right edge for any demanding environment.